Good morning students. Today's topic is mole concept, class 11, chapter 1. Actually I am introducing you a new term, mole. What do you understand by mole? Actually all atoms and molecules have very smaller size, but the number of atoms or molecules present in a small quantity of substance is very large. So it is very difficult to calculate the number of atoms or molecules present in the small quantity of substance. So the term is mole. Term mole is used, and this is called mole concept. And it was given by scientist Ostwald. And about the mole concept is used to calculate the number of atoms which are present in any few small quantity of substance, any substance. So this concept was also adapted or accepted by the SI system, international system. So it is very important term, and this term is derived from the Latin word mole, and derived from the Latin word mole, and mole means in Greek word, Latin word mole means heap. Heap means group. So mole is just like a group. Okay, cluster. ठीक है, I explain in हिंदी also. देखिए एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स का स्मॉल बहुत छोटा होता है, बहुत कम होता है, बहुत स्मॉल होते हैं. एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल का जो साइज है वो बहुत स्मॉल है. लेकिन यदि हम किसी सब्सटेंस के फ्यू सब्सटेंस है और उसमें एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल कैलकुलेट करें तो वो उसका जो नंबर है वो बहुत लार्ज है. तो इतने ज्यादा एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स हम छोटे से अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस में कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते, तो हमने एक टर्म यूज करी मोल, एंड दिस टर्म वाज गिवन बाय साइंटिस्ट ओस्वाल्ड के द्वारा ये टर्म दी गई थी. ठीक है. एंड मोल इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज यूनिट. विच यूनिट? SI यूनिट, इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम यूनिट. SI यूनिट की तरह अमाउंट ऑफ, व्हेन यू कैलकुलेट एनी अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस, देन SI यूनिट इज यूज्ड, विच इज मोल. क्लियर? So now I am taking some definitions of mole. Okay, the first definition of mole is a mole is amount of substance in which number of atoms or molecules present in same amount of atoms and molecules present in 12 gram of 1 carbon 12 atom. This is the first definition of mole. A mole is the amount of substance. यदि हम substance की बात कर रहे हैं, we are talking about the substance. The number of atoms, molecule present in the same amount of atoms or molecule present in 12 gram of 1 carbon 12 atom. It means one carbon 12 atom जितने एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स रखता है उतने ही एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल किस में होते हैं? 1 मोल ऑफ सब्सटेंस में होते हैं. ठीक है. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन. ओके, नाउ आई एम टेकिंग द सेकंड डेफिनेशन. Second definition is a mole is the amount of any element or molecule which has the same atomic mass or molecular mass of any element or compound. इसका मीनिंग ये है कि जो 1 मोल है इट विल बी इक्वल टू द एटॉमिक मास और मॉलिक्यूलर मास. 1 मोल जो है, या तो हम कह दें कि कितने एटम्स, किसी भी कार्बन 12 एटम में जितने एटम्स प्रेजेंट हैं वो 1 मोल के इक्वल होंगे, या फिर 1 मोल के इक्वल क्या होगा, एटॉमिक मास और मॉलिक्यूलर मास. एटॉमिक मास किसके केस में, इन केस ऑफ एलिमेंट, एंड मॉलिक्यूलर मास विल बी कैलकुलेट इन द केस ऑफ एनी मॉलिक्यूल और कंपाउंड. If we are calculating 1 mole of compound, then it will be equal to its atomic weight or molecular weight. For example, I take example. Suppose CO2 is a molecule, okay, and its molecular mass is carbon has 12 atomic mass plus oxygen has 16 atomic mass. 16 multiplied by 2, total 16 to 32. 32 plus 12, it means 44 gram. It is its molecular weight, and it will be equal to 44 gram will be equal to 1 mole of CO2. क्लियर? यहां से सब क्लियर हो गया होगा आई थिंक एग्जाम्पल में, कि जैसे CO2 का हमने मोलिकुलर मास निकाला, इट्स मोलिकुलर वेट इज 44 ग्राम एंड 44 ग्राम will be equal to 1 mole of CO2. So this is the second definition. और फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन में था कि कार्बन 12 एटम में जितने एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स प्रेजेंट हैं उतने ही 1 मोल में प्रेजेंट होंगे, उतने ही एटम्स, मॉलिक्यूल्स, एनी आयंस, पार्टिकल्स. करेक्ट? जैसे सपोज करो एवोगाड्रो नंबर प्रेजेंट है कार्बन 12 1 एटम में 6.02 इंटू 10⁻23, तो 1 मोल में उतने ही एटम प्रेजेंट होंगे 6.02 इंटू 10⁻23. और ये कैसे आई वैल्यू, हाउ विल बी कैलकुलेटेड? We will calculate it later. Okay, last in the section we will calculate this. Now third definition. A mole is the amount of any gas in an amount of any gas in which same amount of which has the any gas which has the same molecular mass present in 22.4 liter or 22400 ml of its volume. Yes, I will define it. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? What is its meaning? Yes, third definition says that molecular mass of any gas will be equal to its volume at STP. Volume of STP we have already calculated from Avogadro law. In my previous section, I have taught you about this. Then molecular mass of any gas at STP will be equal to its volume 22.4 liter or 22400 ml of liter volume of any gas. यस, मैंने आपको प्रीवियस सेक्शन में मैं पढ़ा चुकी हूँ कि गैस का जो मॉलिक्यूलर मास होता है वो इक्वल होता है एसटीपी पर उसके वॉल्यूम के, कितने वॉल्यूम के गैस के, 22.4 लीटर और 22400 ml के इक्वल होता है. तो यही इसके 1 मोल के इक्वल होगा. करेक्ट? तो 1 मोल ऑफ गैस विल बी इक्वल टू its molecular mass, molar mass or molecular mass, same thing, or 22.4 liter or 22400 liter of its volume. Correct? Suppose 1 mole of HCl gas, if we says 1 mole of HCl gas will be equal to its molecular weight 1 plus 35.5 gram. It means 36.5 gram of HCl gas, and it will be equal to 22.4 liter of HCl gas, and it will be equal to 22400 ml of HCl gas. Correct? It means जितना लीटर HCl गैस ले रहे हो आप 22.4 लीटर एट STP, ये सब किस पे है? एट STP पे। तो STP पे 22.4 लीटर कहो, 22400 ml कहो, या उसका 36.5 ग्राम कहो, ये कितने 1 मोल ऑफ HCl गैस के इक्वल होगा? दिस इज द थर्ड डेफिनेशन ऑफ मोल. Okay, now fourth definition is number of atoms or molecules or ions, particles will be equal in all type of substances. If we says that 1 mole of CO2 will contain how many atoms or how many molecules? So Avogadro number 6.02, 1 mole 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. Correct? And 1 mole of sodium, in case of mole of molecule, we will say that molecules. Okay? In case of atom, how many atoms will the sodium have? Sodium will have the number of atoms 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. In case of atom, we will take the atoms, and in case of molecule, we will take the number of molecules. Correct? And if we take any compound, suppose 1 mole of NaCl, it will contain the same amount of number of atoms, molecules, as you say, 06.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Clear? So third definition says that 1 mole of substance, whether it is molecule, whether it is element or compound, will have the same number of atoms which are present in 1 mole. And 1 mole has how many atoms? 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 Avogadro number atoms. Then all types of substances like atoms, molecules and compound will have the same number of atoms as Avogadro number. Correct? Now fifth definition. Determination of to determine the number of particles present in 1 mole of substance. Actually, 1 mole of substance formula is number of particles will be equal to mass of 1 mole of 1 mole of carbon 12 atom upon mass of 1 carbon 12 atom. ठीक है, and mass of 1 mole of carbon 12 atom is equal to 12 gram. Correct? 1 mole of carbon 12 atom will be equal to its atomic weight. Atomic weight of carbon is 12 gram. And mass of 1 carbon 12 atom, ये one atom का mass जो है, it was calculated by using spectrometer, and it was to be found about 1.99 into 10 raised to power minus 23 gram. And when you will divide the 12 gram by 1.99 into 10 raised to power minus 23 gram, you will find 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, ions or molecules. It will be equal to 1 mole of number of particles in 1 mole will be equal to 1 mole किसके इक्वल होता है, इतने एटम्स के इक्वल होता है. 1 mole will be equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. Okay, clear? Now we will come to the numericals. Numericals पे आएंगे अब हम. There are some formulas which you will use to calculate the mole, correct? Mole of substance. So first formula is conversion of mass into mole. If you want to convert mass into mole, then you have to use the formula small n is equal to small m upon capital M. This formula will be used by you, and small n is the number of mole, small m is equal to mass of given substance, and capital M will be equal to molecular or atomic mass of substance. If substance is element, then you will use the atomic mass. If substance is molecule, then you will use the molecular mass. Keep in mind. Okay, for example, I can take example 46 gram of H2O. Yes, convert it into moles. How will you convert into moles? Small n is equal to small m upon capital M. Small m is given 46 divided by its molecular weight. Molecular weight of H2O is 2 plus 16. It means 18. Now 18. Now you will divide it 46 upon 18. 23 by 9. 2.5 something mole. Correct? This is the answer. If you want to convert the 46 gram of H2O into moles, then how will you calculate? By using the formula N is equal to M upon M. M is given mass, and this is the atomic or molecular mass. Okay. Suppose second question, conversion of mole into mass. If we change this term, mole into mass. Mole into mass. Then how will you convert? You have the formula n is equal to small m upon capital M, correct? Then you have to calculate the small m, therefore small m equal to n into, multiply हो जाएगा n into capital M, correct? Here number of mole and m is equal to molar mass. Okay? So you can convert the mole into mass by using the formula m is equal to n into capital M. Okay. Now third formula, calculation of number of particles. Which formula will be used? Small n upon capital N upon Avogadro number. Correct? N is number of particles, and N is equal to Avogadro number. Correct? Therefore N is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? Therefore N is equal to small n into Avogadro number. So you can calculate the number of particles present in any substance by using this formula. This is the third formula. Okay, you can use in numericals when you are doing numericals. Okay. Now fourth is mass of one atom. Mass of one atom. So formula is mass of one atom will be equal to molar mass upon Avogadro number. Small mass of any atom, mass of one atom will be equal to molar mass capital M upon Avogadro number, and Avogadro number will be equal to 6.02 into 10⁻23. Okay, this is the fourth formula you will use when you are doing the numericals. Okay, so these are some formulas to calculate the moles. You can convert the moles into mass, you can convert the mass into mole, you can calculate the mass of one atom, and you can calculate the mass of one atom, and you can calculate the number of particles present in any substance. Okay, by using these four formulas. Okay, so these were some definitions of mole, and these were some examples or formulas when you are doing some numericals. Okay, so next time we will do some numericals based on this topic. Okay, इस topic पे based कुछ numericals करेंगे. तब तक के लिए till then goodbye. Thank you very much.